MaxTop Quartz work surfaces gives you the strength and beauty of natural stone in a lightweight modular design. It's manufactured using top quality quartz with just 7% resin to bind the quartz powder into a solid slab. It's waterproof and highly durable. MaxTop work surfaces are the ultimate upgrade from laminate worktops and just as easy to work with. The honeycomb core makes MaxTop much easier to handle than traditional quartz worktops. And because MaxTop's designs are available from stock in a range of modular sizes, they're available for same-day delivery with no hanging around or downtime.